everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight we'll be making a Hmong dish called plawv. And plawv is this kind of root. I will say that will be probably in the same family as bamboo shoot. I may be wrong though. It's a different texture, and I will be cooking this with ground chicken. Before I left this morning, I already had pre-soaked this in hot water. It is really hard, so you must need to pre-soak this before you can cook with this to kind of soften it up for you. It's very simple. I will be using plawv, ground chicken, and then I will be using lemongrass and a couple chili, along with seasoning with salt and vegetable seasoning. This is the vegetable seasoning that I use that has no MSG. You can find this at your local Oriental food store. Okay, I am gonna drain my plawv, other roots here, and then I'm gonna rinse it with water. Rinse it 1 or 2 times will be good. You see how it's more cleaner now? These are imported from our family members from Laos. Okay, you're going to take your knife and cut these. You can cut it to the desired size you want. I actually like to cut these a little bit more fine so that's easier to swallow and eat later. Okay, this is good. Okay, I already have 3 cups of water in here, along with some vegetable seasoning that I put in here. I'm going to season the water also with salt. And then I'm going to break in my lemongrass and put this in here. This is going to cook and have a good aroma to it. I'm going to toss in some chili pepper, whole chili pepper. And then once it starts to boil, I'm going to form, with my chicken, I'm going to form these into like a ball, like this, and I will toss this in here. Okay, our soup is, simmering, or plawv is simmering pretty well right now. So we're just gonna leave it here for a couple more minutes and it should be ready to serve.